Hey, you, stop scrolling. Yes, you. You're not here by accident. I don't care what your past looks like. I don't care what mistakes you made yesterday. God is still chasing after you right now. Luke 15, verse 4 says, wouldn't he leave the 99 to find the one? He left the 99 to find the one, and you're the one. Not because you're perfect, but because you're loved, because you matter. God's not intimidated by your doubts. He's not scared of your past, and He's definitely not giving up on you. New mercies, new start, new life. You are not too broken. You are not too late. You are not disqualified. Follow right now if you're ready to stop running and start living the life God created for you. This is your time. Let go. Type let go if that is you today. God bless you. Amen.